Welcome to the kitchen. I'm Chef Victoria Love, and today we're going to make sauteed baby kale and baby spinach. If ever I'm feeling sluggish, this is the best way to boost your iron. This baby kale is so delicious. It's a 5-ounce package, and this is also a 5-ounce package of baby spinach. And I'm going to use, this is a really large onion, so I'm only going to use about half of it. So we only need about 3/4 of a cup of finely diced onion and extra virgin olive oil. This beautiful kosher sea salt table salt is fine, but here is the star of the show, some ground nutmeg. This tastes great with spinach. So we're going to use about a half teaspoon, and it'll give it some brightness and wonderful flavor that you will just love. So let me get everything mise en place and I'll show you how to make it.
Please click like and subscribe so we can bring you more recipes.
This really is so simple and easy. I already have our tablespoon of olive oil in our pan with our onions, and we're going to saute these until they are translucent. So best to do that over medium-high heat, and make sure you stir occasionally so nothing gets burnt. Now I'm beginning to see a little bit of golden brown on the edges, so I'm going to add in our baby kale first. Get that in there. The baby kale is tougher than spinach, so we want to saute the baby kale until it's wilted and bright green, just like this, and then we're going to add in all of our spinach. Once you get all of the spinach in here, we're going to cover it because we want the steam that's in there to help cook it, and it'll be wilted. So we're going to cover that for 2 minutes and then stir it all together with our seasonings. There we go. Woo, look at all that steam coming off. So that was 2 minutes, and we're going to stir this up, and now we want to add in our seasonings. This is a half teaspoon of our kosher sea salt. We're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of our ground nutmeg, and this will give it a wonderful flavor. So we're going to stir all that in. Once you get everything stirred in and it looks like this, you want to take it off the heat, and now we can serve it. Here I have some baked ziti that I made with my homemade spaghetti sauce, and make sure you check out that video. And here is our beautiful sauteed baby kale and baby spinach, a perfect side dish for this. And oh, I just love it. So actually I'm gonna give myself quite a bit. There we go. That looks so good. Let me take a bite. Oh, that was absolutely delicious. I can't wait to eat some more of this. I hope this inspires you to make it at home. Please check out all of the videos on our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Bye.
For more recipe demonstrations, please click like and subscribe to Chef Victoria Love's YouTube channel and have fun in the kitchen. Thank you.